Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how I made this Lolita style headdress. It's been a while since I wore Lolita, so I'm putting together some new pieces for myself. I started with this scrap of white denim that I just had left over from a thrift flip. This is really a good project for using up very small scraps. The only measurement we need for this is a rough estimate of the top of your head. I just slung a measuring tape over it and then just add about an inch for seam allowance. I wanted an extra skinny headdress since I like the old school look, but just a little bit more refined and simplified. So I made my pieces only about 2 inches thick. After ironing and serging, I just roughly estimated the amount of lace I needed and then gathered it up and stitched it to the bottom piece. I used the same lace and cut a couple of pieces for the top piece, and I just stuck them edges together on top and secured them with a single line of zigzag stitching. Then I took some gingham ribbon to cover up that stitching and to add an extra little layer of detail. Now it's time to sew the two pieces together. Always remember to leave a space for turning. And once it's right sides out, just give it a nice top stitch. And I clearly cannot be expected to not make ribbon bows for this project. I stitched my bows down to the edge of where the other gingham ribbon meets the seam. To secure this to the head, these types of headdresses usually just have ribbon straps that you tie under the chin, but I hate those, so I'm just using regular old hair clips. Putting it on may take a few tries. I definitely don't have it perfect here, and these are usually very hard to pull off, but I think it'll look cute with a full coordinate and with actual styled hair. I hope you enjoyed this quick little vid, and I hope you all try some DIY yourselves, and I will see you all next time. Bye!